So all of the Obi Wan Kenobi Episode 3 lightsaber pieces are done off of the printer. I have them all set out here. You have the pommel, the lower chamber, the middle chamber, the grip, the lower emitter, middle emitter, upper emitter, and then the lower button outer, lower button inner, and the lower insert, and then this is the on and off button, which will go onto the middle chamber. Anyway, all put together would be, this piece would go into this piece will go into this piece, like so, this piece will go into this piece, like so, this piece goes into this piece, like so. That one's gonna have to be, I'm gonna have to probably glue this one in, so this one will go. This one was hard. Hold on. Okay, so once all of these pieces go in together, they're pretty snug right off the print bed. These pieces are made to where they have some, you gotta really get them in there. But once they're in there, I mean, they're easily in and out of there. So anyway, that piece will go on to this piece, and then these two pieces will connect here, and that, oh yeah, I forgot about the buttons. So this is the lower button, which goes down here, like so. And then this little cap piece, whoa, and then this button goes in this one. That. So yeah, anyway, other than these two pieces not being connected, there are the lightsaber pieces for Obi Wan Kenobi Episode 3 lightsaber.